Hello! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the middle button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll through the list of options by swiping up and down on the screen, find the alarm icon and tap on it. And right here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on the new alarm button. Here we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. You can swipe on the in the circle motion to set the hour, or you can use the crown button. Okay, so set the hour, then tap on the minutes, set the minutes the same way, tap on the check mark. Here we can enable or disable the sound for the alarm. We can enable or disable the vibrations. We can tap on the time to adjust it. We can tap on the one time option or text below the time to select the frequency. And we have options like one time. If this option is selected, the alarm will go off once and it will turn itself off. But we can also select specific days on which the alarms should repeat. So for example, if we select Sunday and Tuesday, the alarm will go off every Sunday and Tuesday. Okay, and once you're done customizing the alarm clock, you can tap on the check mark to save it. And here we have it. We can turn it on, turn it off. We can remove it by tapping on the bin icon. And of course, you can have multiple alarms if you want to. So if I set up this one, we can have a couple of them. Let me just change it a little, like this. As you can see, we have multiple alarms. Okay, and once you're done setting up your alarm clock, you can press the crown button, or rather middle button, to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.